Sun City's very first unboxing video. As you can see, I'm not great at unboxing. But let's see what we got. Lots of stuff. Okay.
Ooh, what's that?
The Last Outlaws, the desperate final days of the Dalton Gang.
Sounds interesting.
The Hank Show? Have you heard of the Hank Show?
I haven't.
How a house painting, drug running DEA informant built the machine that rules our lives.
Ooh.
That sounds a little scary. Okay. Faith Book by Tracy Peterson. The Fund. Ray Dalio, Bridgewater Associates, and the Unraveling of the Wall Street Legend.
Okay,
Wall Street Legend.
I'm not familiar with that, but
Me neither. Doesn't actually sound like anything I'd be too interested in. Okay, and a large print. Tracy Peterson.
oh, she's popular. I'm sure she'll get a lot of readers.
Probably a bunch of holds on that. Oh, it's the same book. Okay. Let's see, another large print. A new Western. We hardly ever get new Westerns. Crow Mary.
Okay, that sounds like it could be a good one.
Could be. Reasons Not to Worry.
Oh, this sounds like something we could use right about now.
Yeah. I think I have somebody in mind that I'm going to give that to. Okay. David Mitchell, Unruly, The Ridiculous History of... I love it when we
Kings and Queens? Something Kings and Queens.
Something Kings and Queens. Let me see if I can find what it actual title is. England's.
Oh.
Okay.
The royalty books are always popular.
Yeah. Okay, another large a Ken Follett. This is heavy, guys. You gotta really invest in. You gotta be determined.
Yes. Yeah, don't drop it on your face when you're reading in bed.
No, don't. Behind the Door. The Dark Truths and Untold Stories of the Cecil Hotel.
Oh, I think I heard something about that. Is that a true crime book?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
for our true crime fans.
Yes. The Upstairs
Delicatessen.
Delicatessen. Words are hard, guys. They're so hard. On eating, reading about eating, and eating while reading. Don't do that.
Not with a library book.
Not with a library book.
But that sounds interesting.
It does. It does. Okay, we got a couple of large print Judgment Praise.
Oh, that's his
Those will be on
latest.
hold,
Yeah.
I'm positive. Another one? I hope there's a whole list.
Yeah, there's probably a waiting list for that.
Okay.
So if you have a hold, it's coming.
Oops. Science fiction and The Woman at the Wheel. Historical. So,
Okay.
gosh, there's a great variety of this stuff. Okay. The Christmas Appeal.
Ooh, getting those holiday books.
Just in time.
Yeah.
San Diego with the red thing that I don't know what that's about. Maybe there's a map in there.
A lot of people like to travel to San Diego, so that's going to be a good one to have.
And The Secret Midwife.
Ooh.
Another historic. That's fun. Let's see. We're almost done with this box, and we've got one other one to do. The Woman They Wanted. I think that says tougher. Kind of a creepy.
Is it a mystery? Walter Mosley writes mysteries.
Sci-fi.
Oh, sci-fi. Has he written any sci-fi?
I
before?
don't know.
Sounds like it might be
You
interesting
might
to
have,
look
but
at.
I'm just not sure. So, okay. And then we've got The Trader's Gate by Jeffrey Archer in large print. Okay. Ooh, it looks like it. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to be
It's our packing slip.
packing slip for this one. How AI works. Oh, this will be good.
Oh yeah, a lot of people trying that out right now.
Trying to figure out what all how to do it. Okay, Charlie Chaplin versus America.
Oh, interesting.
So, when art, sex, and politics collide. That sounds kind of fun. Or not. Okay.
Ooh, more
Fern Michaels.
Another Christmas one.
Christmas book. And that looks like Martha Stewart, but I'm sure it's not. Is it Marie Stewart?
I'm not sure.
The head that wears the crown.
We have when they're processing our books, they put the stickers in a certain standard location, and sometimes it blocks the author or something else. What is it?
Oh, this is The Trial of Madame Rastel. She was something else. I didn't like it.
Okay. So a little bit of a historical.
Yeah, it's
women's history.
Yeah. Okay, a couple more travel books. They got the maps, the red thing with the maps. Portugal and Los Angeles. That's a combination.
So if you're planning a trip for next summer.
Yeah. Or anytime. Into the Fire by Irene Hannon. I am not familiar with her. But
yeah, I haven't read anything by her, but I have heard the name.
Oh wait, this one I've heard of. He's the one who did Abraham Verghese.
Oh, right.
He did Cutting for Stone, I think.
Yeah.
So it's The Covenant of Water, large print. Again, that's a commitment, guys. It's very heavy. Going for Broke.
Living on the Edge in the World's Richest Country.
Anne Perry. I think she died recently, so I don't. Is this a?
Is it a new edition or something that was unpublished before?
No, I mean, it was very recent, so she could have finished this one. It says 2023, and it doesn't say anything about it being a new edition, so it must be maybe the last book she finished before she died. Another mystery title, Black Diamonds. Oh, up on it.
Her Secret Hope.
Okay, I think that's all we got.
Oh, well, looks like a good haul for the library today.
Yeah,
So
it looks like there's pretty much a little bit for everybody.
yeah, so keep an eye on the new bookshelf or put a hold on these.
Yeah, holds are probably better.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for joining us.